Hello and welcome to Goa 365's Face to Face. With us is Dr. Dhananjay Lad of Chrome. Welcome, Doctor, to our show. It's been some time since you've been on our show. It's, I think, some months. So now, from the time when we spoke last to now, one wave has gone, has come, has gone. Now the second wave is speaking. So could you tell us what is the present situation in the country and in the state of this COVID-19, Doctor?
Yeah, it's worse than last year. Cases are increasing. It's like a double cases as of now, and it is out of control now. But lockdown is not a solution for this. So the thing that we are missing is the social distancing and wearing the mask. Vaccine is not a solution for this pandemic, sir. So people should understand this, and government will be not able to fight with this pandemic unless and until the people will support to us.
I see. But how did it get so bad? How did it get so bad? As in, because of was it fatigue of the people sitting down, or why? Could you give us some of the reasons how it has reached this stage?
There is some mutation in this virus which is spreading very fast.
Okay.
Number one.
Okay.
And the fear in the mind of the people for this COVID is very less as compared to the last year.
Okay.
People are not following the government norms like social distancing or wearing the mask, and they are gathering in the mask and they are doing the parties and these things. So, sir, it is not possible to fight with this pandemic with this vaccine. And no any vaccine. If we started the vaccination program, till now more than 8 crore vaccination done. But no any company is giving guarantee that this vaccine is working 100% on them.
Okay.
So by taking this vaccine also people are relaxed, but they don't understand that even by taking the vaccine they will be the positive if they exposed to the COVID positive patient.
Yeah, but doctor, could you give us some details on this vaccination, why and what and all this of the vaccination and the process?
Yeah. So see, actually, if I taken the vaccine and if I have some sufficient antibodies, in my body.
Okay.
And if I expose with the positive patient, then that live virus will go inside my body, and then I will be symptomatic and I will spread the infection. The good thing or the advantage of taking the vaccine is avoid the SARS, means the serious respiratory disease. Means there will be no serious event or a moderate to critical symptoms to the subjects if he vaccinated. But still, if he exposed with the positive patient, then he will spread the infection.
I see. But then what happens? What could be the solution? How can a person who has been vaccinated not get infected?
For upcoming years, there will be no mass gathering or some social events. People should wear strictly mask, then social distancing. These are the actual things, and even lockdown is not the solution for this.
Yeah, we'll talk about lockdown little later. Yeah, we'll talk about lockdown little later. But so basically what you're trying to say is that only masks and social distancing.
Yeah, this is most important, sir, actually, because even somebody taken vaccine, he came in close contact with the positive patient, then still also he will be positive and he will spread the infection.
Nothing may happen to him. Nothing may happen to him serious, but he can still he becomes a carrier.
Yeah, definitely.
Okay, now I wanted to just take you on a little bit to this. What about the children, kids, 18 to 40?
We can't say the specific group actually. Okay. But this group is actually roaming here and there. You can say.
Okay. So that probably is the reason.
But there is no specific reason why this typical population, because this population is going for the work or for college and these things. So means this is actually our manpower.
Okay. So possibly these are the people who are at the highest risk of infection if you go to speak, because they are the ones who are going out. I mean,
Yes,
actually
yes.
out on the roads. Correct, right? Why is it that we are going in for vaccination then? What is the reason why we are doing for vaccination? And what is the how fast you feel we will be able to get vaccinated so at least the fatality cases and the hospitals and all don't get overrun? So how fast we will be able to finish? What is the situation, vaccine situation in the state, in the country?
Main thing is we don't have that much of bulk vaccine
Okay.
in our
Okay.
hand.
Okay.
Bulk vaccine is like a tanker of the water. We have to just refill in the bottle.
Okay.
Okay. Even recently we are in collaboration with the Hopkins Institute in Pune. Okay, there is a discussion with government, state government and the central. But there is a bottling plant. So, but bulk is availability of the bulk vaccine is less, and we have only capacity of the 6,000 crore in the month.
Okay.
Considering two players, we have ability of the 10 to 12 crore doses, but we need at least 100 crores in this year. So
Okay.
it will take time. Means you can say for one cycle of the bulk, it will take 2 months.
Okay. Okay.
So
Okay.
it will take more 10 months.
For vaccine to reach everybody.
Everybody.
Everybody means above
And
45?
then what will happen? Then 50% people will be immune because of the efficacy of the vaccine.
Okay. Wow. So that is a big complication, doctor.
Yes, yes.
What is the solution? How will it affect the health services and all that? So many people falling sick. Will it be possible for the health services to manage?
In my opinion, sir, actually, we should wait for herd immunity. That's it.
But how will you get herd immunity? Everybody has to get infected or everybody has to take the vaccine, one of the
Means
things.
what? Means it's up to you. If you
Yeah.
want corona, you can go outside.
Okay, correct.
Government not able to do this actually because this is up to in our hand. I travel Srinagar. I travel in last week. I traveled Srinagar, Delhi, Hyderabad, Bangalore, and came back home. I checked my RT-PCR is negative. It's up to me to wear mask and this thing actually.
But that I agree with you, doctor. I agree. But let me give you a small example of the way India works. Now it is vaccine. Okay. Now the Indians are supposed to not spit down. They are supposed to ride scooters wearing helmets. They are supposed to keep. But nobody follows these rules. No parking. You see in these same areas which you've gone, nobody. So you really think that something which they don't know and there is nothing, Indians are going to follow this rule?
Definitely they will listen because now cases are increasing, sir. Actually,
Ah.
definitely because see in the last year nobody is giving the blood swab. They are doing the CT scan, HRCT. They're not giving the swab, but now there is a double swab going to the lab. Double
Okay.
load is there in the lab, RT-PCR, because people are they are voluntarily going to the lab, approaching lab when they are getting symptoms.
Okay.
Means there is a fear in the mind of the public now. They are aware about this actually. Definitely they will fight. They will do it.
But it needs a little bit of push, like the Prime Minister spoke about all this, especially about the youth. So it needs some push from people, you feel. Otherwise, or it's just the fear factor is enough. It needs a push from the leadership.
Now it's in the public's hand. That's it.
But that's being very pessimistic, doctor. Yeah.
Because see, sir, when we started phase 1 trial, simultaneously we started the manufacturing.
Okay.
Okay. Then we got this much of vaccine, and this
Okay.
shortage is still there is no shortage. You can see
Okay.
when we start the day we got the permission for the phase 1, government started the manufacturing. Then this is situation of the lack of shortage of vaccine. You can understand then what will happen in future.
Correct, absolutely. Plus export orders are there. So many commitments are there for it to be sent to be exported.
Yeah, even my company got some 13 to 14 countries they demanded this vaccine. We already approached it, but like the government is not giving permission to export it actually, sir.
Right now,
And if you
Covaxin,
want to
no?
export it, then we need the government to government agreement.
Okay, okay.
And unless and until PM office give the go ahead, we will not we're not able to send these vaccines. But as of now, export is on the hold, sir.
Export. So basically, government is saying you only manufacture so that it can cater to the local issues.
Yeah, it's a good decision of the government actually. They are not allowing us to export this vaccine. There is huge demand because only 6 countries are doing the vaccine, and there are more than 180 countries.
Correct. Total.
Demand
No?
from the 180 countries.
Yeah, but what about this now? Basically, what you're saying is that above 45, which is at a higher risk people.
Yeah.
So for the above 45s, at least there is a possibility of vaccination in the next few months. Everybody, whoever
Not
wants.
possible, sir. Actually, not possible. Why? Because the 30-40 crores population are there.
Actually,
and we have
yeah.
capacity of 6,000 crore.
Okay, sorry.
So it's not possible. It will take 2.5 months actually to cover this 45.
That is, you mean for you to manufacture?
Yeah. To cover this above 45, it will take 2 months. 2.5 months, sir.
No, not to cover. For you to manufacture to cover this. For
No,
both.
it's process is going on. Manufacturing is going on, sir, actually.
Okay.
To cover this population, it will take at least 2 to 3 months. You can say 2 to 3 months.
More 2 to 3 months.
Yeah. Then
But
this above 45 people will cover.
Total, everybody.
And there is, sir, see, there is some states are doing wastage of the vaccine because now the vial contains 10 doses. And suppose some people not came and only 8 doses are there. So the 2 doses are they're throwing out. Likewise,
Okay.
Maharashtra government thrown out 5 lakh doses.
But
That's
why?
the thing actually.
Why? They can't keep it?
No, because once the vial is open, okay, we have to finish it actually.
Okay.
So sometimes
Uh-huh.
some 6, 7 doses are given and then 4, 5 doses are there. We cannot use the same vial.
So that is a big waste, no? As it is, there is a shortage and
Yeah, yes, sir. Yes.
So
Even
that
there
means-
are temperature excursions also actually. Not only
Sorry?
this one, but because of temperature excursions also these things are happen. In Maharashtra, 5 lakh doses are wastage.
So, and Maharashtra is one of the largest hit states, so that is quite criminal, no? That's why I think there was this political fight between the health ministers, which we can.
There is
yeah.
obviously, sir. There is a fight because of the Hopkins role. Okay,
Okay.
government wants to give this facility to the biotech for additional doses, but they don't understand there is no sufficient bulk available with the biotech.
Mhm.
Hopkins is a bottling plant,
Okay.
filling the bottles only.
Okay. Okay.
So there is no sufficient bulk is available. Bulk vaccine means we have to for this procedure like we have to grow this vaccine, and once they grow, then we have to dead it, and then we can make the bulk vaccine, and then we will fill the vials.
Bottles. So
But
all this.
there is a lack of the bulk actually now.
So this making the bulk is left up to biotech and serum, no? Who else does
Serum,
it?
yeah. What is what two companies are doing now?
Okay.
Bottling can do anywhere.
Bottling any company can do.
Any company can do. Even Hopkins also doing.
So basically, biotech and serum have bottling capacity.
They are doing, but actually, they even added 3 to 4 plant for bottling
More.
also.
Okay.
But there is an X capacity of the bulk vaccine.
To do the bulk vaccine, to do the bulk
How we
vaccine.
are
actually.
doing? First we are growing the virus, growing in a big scale,
Mm.
and then we will dead this bacteria,
Killing
this
them.
virus.
Killing
That
them.
is bulk of the vaccine.
Okay, fine. Yeah, doctor, I wanted to go on a little bit more details of this vaccination. Now, this vaccination, now earlier it was 28 days,
Yeah.
correct? Now it's many like this Covishield and even I don't know about Covaxin, maybe you can tell us that if it's a longer period in between the vaccines, the efficacy goes up. What, could you explain that to us?
Yeah,
What exactly? There's a
it's
lot of
true, sir,
confusion.
Is it true actually? There's some clinical trial proven that if we extend the gap,
Hmm.
then the level of antibodies is high as compared to the day 0 and day 28. It's a clinically proven, sir. Clinically proven.
So what should people do? Wait.
People are waiting because of the lack of vaccine, not for this
No,
science.
between first and second doses.
Even they can wait for about 1.5 months also, sir. Actually, not necessarily they have 28 days actually.
Okay. So you have to. But would it be better?
It's a better, sir, actually, because clinically proven actually. If the
Okay.
gap is more, they will be more immune, sir.
Okay. Now suppose if you do it within 28 days, what would be the efficacy? And if you do it in say 1.5 months or 2 months, what would be the efficacy?
It will extend the span. I mean, if suppose if you give the dose in the day 0 and day 28, and suppose that subject, typical subject is even for 6 months or 7 months, then if you increase the gap between these two doses, it will be might be to 1 year, and this is clinically proven actually.
Okay. So
But
now the
there is no specific calculation that how many days it will be increased. But yes,
so in a way that will also probably help the manufacture of the vaccine also more in another way, and so more people can get vaccinated.
better to immunize all in the first dose.
I see.
Take first dose to all, and then think about the second. Little better.
Yeah, so
Even there is
first-
a gap between 2 months, then also it's okay for public.
Correct.
Means
But
the gap between two doses is even 2 months, then also it is effective for them.
but what about fund dose? Do any antibodies are generated?
Yeah, definitely, sir. Because it's like a half dose, 3
Okay.
micromilligram. If you compare, if you keep in mind about our Covaxin, it's a 3 micromilligram in the first dose, and in second dose, it's a 6 microgram. Means in both doses there are antibodies.
Okay. Now, and another thing, doctor, I wanted to know. Now, how many more vaccines are supposed to be coming into the country? Sputnik is there, it's supposed to come, and then Johnson's
Sputnik,
single
actually,
dose.
Sputnik, it will take time because phase 3 recently finished. We finished this phase 3 recently
Okay.
on something 1600 subject.
Okay.
Data is under review. Then biologically vaccines is reached in the phase 3 that we are doing for our subject. And there is one more mRNA like Covishield of our Indian company Genova that we are doing the phase 1 trial in the next week. So there are 3 players in the race. One is Sputnik, second is Zydus Cadila also is there, but Zydus Cadila it will take time. Phase 3 recently completed. Then biologically which is in phase 3 now, and Genova, which is the same to same as our Covishield. It's from Genova and one American company which enter in the phase 1 that we are starting in our Kolhapur Medical College and KM Pune from next week. So you can expect after 6 months there will be 3 to 4 more players of suppliers.
But who is going to bottle? Who is going to do it? There is no capacity to just bottling of this present vaccines. Now, who is going to do the more this bottling?
But these are different players actually, so they will manage, sir. Actually, next month you will get 2 or 3 more players in this area.
We have heard about that single dose vaccine and that nasal vaccine. What is the this
Yeah,
of that?
Bharat Biotech got the permission for this nasal vaccine.
Biotech.
It's a preventive actually. It means every day you have to take it. It's not a vaccine.
Every day.
It's like it will affect for 24 hours. If you want to go to office, you just spray it and you go. It's like that. It's not a vaccine.
But what about long term effects of this?
It will prevent some expose of the virus from your nose only. It is not for long-term efficacy.
But what about any clinical trials, any danger, long term effects, anything has been done on that?
No. But now phase 1 is started, sir, just now.
Okay. And what about Johnson's single dose?
Johnson, I don't have much idea about the Johnson because we are not involved in that study. So
Okay.
I don't know, sir, actually.
But ultimately, single dose vaccines are going to come out.
Initially we started, Corona is new for us, so we started from the least dose.
Okay.
Even you can see the Covishield or Covaxin, we are starting 3 micromilligram, then 6 micromilligram. If we are confident on this virus or this vaccine, then in future every vaccine will be the single dose.
So and with a larger amount.
Yeah, in larger amount, yeah. Because now corona is a new concept or new virus for us.
Correct.
So we started
absolutely.
like this.
So, but tests are going on for single dose, single shot, anything?
Definitely in future, sir, it will be the single shot. Definitely.
Okay.
Because still we are doing the dose escalation studies. Means once we find out the proper dose,
Okay.
then in future it will be the one dose, even Covishield or Covaxin or whatever.
Okay.
Recently, sir, we got our permission from DCGI for Covaxin to give the one more booster dose after 6 months.
Okay.
So my
okay.
clinical trial participant will get the third dose
Okay.
from next
Okay.
month.
Okay. But that depends on whether he's got antibodies or all, even placebo.
No. Now I will brief about some trial that we conducted in past. We are unblinding the data from next week.
Okay.
Because government started immunization for above 45, right?
Okay.
So DCI gave us permission to unblind the study
Okay. Okay.
and give the vaccination to all.
Okay. Okay.
And once we unblind the study, we will give the vaccination to the all
Okay.
who will not cover, who don't have any antibodies in their bodies. Okay.
Okay.
And
Okay.
third dose will be given by us. Third dose
Okay. To them also.
to them only. Yes. Coming to my main point, there is no dose escalation as of now.
Okay.
How much
Okay.
quantity is working
Okay.
for giving the proper immunization or proper antibodies. So once it's finalized, then in future all vaccine will be the single dose.
Hopefully. Yes. But now, as of now, let us go back to the start, what you said. If you could give us now, as of now, the only way we can fight this virus is mask, social distancing and vaccine. It cannot be anyone on its own. Do you agree with me?
No, nothing more than that. As of now, I can say.
So what could you, last message to everybody?
I can say to follow the government norm, because government is giving the norms. Don't take it like political vision, because there is a team like ICMR. There are scientists and they are deciding these guidelines. No any political team is deciding, and this is the confusion of the people, because in 4-5 months back there are many gupshup on our vaccine also. But now our PM, our honorable PM, our same also taken this charge of the Covaxin. It is that much safe. But initially, Covaxin was the political matter. So don't take it because ICMR is working on this. These are not vaccine is not innovated by any politicians or political party. It's ICMR, which is constant for every parties.
Correct.
So just blindly follow the guidelines of the ICMR. That's it.
So means that, what do you mean? Have the vaccine, use your mask, and do social.
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Sir. Yes.
So that's the only way we can be safe, at least for the foreseeable future.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah, so basic, but you're saying that we should avoid mass gatherings. We should avoid.
Definitely, sir. Actually, and see, in Maharashtra now there is a weekend lockdown. It's a good idea for Maharashtra, but not for Goa, because Goa is full in the weekend
Full
only.
week. Yeah, correct, absolutely.
So there should be the specific state-wise guidelines. Maharashtra doing the weekend, so we can't do in Goa. Because Goa is actually living on the weekend only because of tourists.
But now what happens is, now see, Goa, it's I don't think that lockdown is a very good idea. I think it's a very bad idea. But what probably needs to be done is the SOPs which are done, the implementation, like for example distancing in restaurants, distancing all open, AC, all this has to be done. No, the government also has to take some sort of a step, otherwise it's not going to happen. No,
it's like no mask, no entry. That's it.
So yeah, something like that.
There should be tremendous fight for the unmasked people.
And also distancing among various, in places
Yes.
where people congregate.
And
no?
as of now, I can say this only, that take a vaccine, still take a precaution.
Okay.
Not for you, even for other actually, because you are spreading infection if you expose.
Correct. Absolutely. Yeah. Thanks, doctor. It was nice talking to you after some time. Thank you.